In addition to winning the 2023 AOPA sweepstakes Cessna 170B, the new owner of this aircraft also received a custom cover from Bruce's Aircraft Covers.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
These covers come in handy whether your airplane's tied down on a ramp or you're traveling a ton. They protect the airplane from the elements. The windows won't get scratched, dusty, and the sun will stay off of your avionics and interior. These covers are super easy to take on and off. We'll show you.